In this video guide, we will learn how to calculate summary statistics. The main focus of these summary statistics will be the mean and the median with a calculator. We will use the example from the GPS navigator that we've been studying in class. For this particular example, I want to find the mean and the median of the GPS data. In a previous video, I've shown you how to put this into a list. So you need to make sure that this data is in a list. To get to your list, you're going to press Stat and then enter on Edit. From there, you need to have all of your data values in list 1. To calculate the mean and the median, we'll press Stat again. Notice at the top of the screen you have Edit, Calc, and Test as soft menus. You'll arrow over to Calc. You're going to look at this first thing, which is called one bar stat or one variable stat. Press Enter on it. Depending on the setup of your calculator, you will see something like mine, or you may see it actually for a list. If it actually for a list, you want to give it the list that your data is in. My data is in L1. So recall how to recall a particular list. You can either press second list, or you can press second and then one of the numbers down here to bring up a list. So I'll press second and 1 and it'll bring L1. If your calculator says frequency, leave it alone. Arrow down to calculate and then press enter. Your calculator will give you all of this information here. In order to find the mean and the median from this data set, the mean will sit here at this first value, which is called X bar. X bar for this value, for this particular data set, is 162.76667. Another way to find the mean is to notice that the value underneath is called the sum of X, or sigma X. Sigma X adds up all the values in the data set. So sigma X comes from adding up 65, 80, 85, 90, and so forth, all the way down to 340. If you take this value and divide it by n, and remember n is the sample size, you'll get the exact same value. So that's how you find the mean. To find the median, notice you have an arrow right here. This arrow means there's more information available to you, and scroll down. If we scroll down, we come to more summary statistics. And sitting here is the median at 150. So that's how you find the summary statistics, in particular the mean and the median in a calculator.